There's no doubt we see great news, the release of hostages, families are reunited. We are very thankful to the Maker of the world for the revealed kindness He's pouring upon us. But even though there's great points of hope, we're not allowed to forget the ones that were left behind, the ones that are carrying a broken and heavy heart. This tormented family that I'm in touch with, honestly, I guess that there's no way to heal their pain. To achieve perfection or completion is something that is for sure beyond our reach. But to try and to do the maximum we can, from that no one can exempt himself. That's why it's so important to keep on trying, to achieve the goal that we set for ourselves with this important fundraiser, and hoping and willing to see them thriving and rising again. With your support, with your goodwill, I'm sure that we can make a great difference.